luxury travel, private jets, exotic destinations, and fine dining. Welcome back, Living Lux Elite Living. Luxury travel is a world unto itself, where every aspect of the journey is meticulously curated to provide an unparalleled experience of opulence, comfort, and indulgence. In our latest video, Luxury Travel, Private Jets, Exotic Destinations, and Fine Dining, we delve into this extraordinary realm, exploring the epitome of travel luxury from the moment you step aboard a private jet to the exotic destinations that await, and the exquisite dining experiences that tantalize the taste buds. Private jets. Private jets are the epitome of luxury travel, offering unparalleled comfort, privacy, and convenience. From the moment you step aboard, you're greeted by plush leather seats, personalized service, and state-of-the-art amenities that cater to your every need. Whether you're flying to a remote island paradise or a bustling metropolis, private jets ensure a seamless and luxurious travel experience, allowing you to arrive at your destination feeling refreshed, relaxed, and ready to explore. Exotic destinations. Luxury travel isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about immersing yourself in the most exquisite destinations the world has to offer. From the pristine beaches of the Maldives to the lush rainforests of Costa Rica, exotic destinations provide the perfect backdrop for an unforgettable travel experience. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural enrichment, these destinations offer a wealth of experiences to suit every taste and preference, ensuring that your luxury travel experience is nothing short of extraordinary. Fine dining experiences. No luxury travel experience would be complete without indulging in the finest culinary delights. From candlelit dinners on secluded beaches to Michelin-starred restaurants overlooking iconic landmarks, fine dining experiences elevate your travel experience to new heights of indulgence and sophistication. Whether you're sampling local delicacies or savoring international cuisine, each meal is a celebration of flavor, texture, and presentation, leaving a lasting impression on your palate and your memory. Luxury travel is a world of unparalleled experiences, where every moment is a celebration of opulence, comfort, and indulgence. From the comfort and convenience of private jets to the breathtaking beauty of exotic destinations and the exquisite dining experiences that await. Luxury travel offers a glimpse into a world where the journey is just as memorable as the destination. Join us as we explore this extraordinary realm and redefine the art of travel luxury in our latest video, Luxury Travel, Private Jets, Exotic Destinations, and Fine Dining.